Hello, my name is Jan Benham, founder and CEO of The Aroma Shop and Jan Benham Cosmetics. I'm delighted to be here with you today to talk about eyebrow pencils and how to apply, specifically for women of a certain age. So as you age, your eyebrows do get sparser and thinner, and you also get peppered with grey. Now my eyebrows have always been sparse. As you can see, it looks like I've got nothing there, and that's been since I was a teenager, and it wasn't from over plucking. It's just naturally the way I am. So in the case of treating and helping women of a certain age with filling in their eyebrows, I've developed an eyebrow pencil. It's 100% natural, and it's also in a wooden pencil, which makes it completely zero waste cosmetics. And it's a certain pigment in it that you can use on your eyebrows and fill in. And even if you make a mistake, for example, if you need reading glasses, you obviously can't wear reading glasses when you're applying your eyebrow pencil. So even if you make a small error, it won't be noticeable, but at least at the end you will look like you've got natural eyebrows when it's been applied. So this is the Taupe eyebrow pencil from Jan Benham Cosmetics. Now that is what I normally use in the daytime, but as I'm going out, I'm going to be using my Brunette eyebrow pencil. And I'm going to show you how we apply it. So we apply it in feathery strokes, so it's not one big long stroke, and lightly apply it. You don't have to press hard. So to do this, I'm just going to apply. So as you can see, I've applied my eyebrow pencils, and you can see it makes such a difference to the finished product. This eyebrow pencil will stay on until you clean it off with a cleansing lotion or with soap. So it is very easy to apply, no messing around. And I do hope you found this useful. And if you have any questions, please feel free to contact me. Otherwise, have a great day wherever you may be, and it's bye for now.